Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumshibentavan rakhiya ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav campaign ka Tnat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department henne kasingi kalapanlong ya ka Jan Bagidari program halor ka Jingmyntoi kam jong ka Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Nakalyang Menteri ka Tnat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs u James PK Sangma habakran siya kinongwan ya Jingmyntoi lingba kikor jong kani ka juk ulaong bakalong ka badan kam bandan bentalang ulapan pau ya ka jingyaro ya kinong tray ka Tnat haringkat batki badan bentalang. Kinong dia kau rasyon ki balasyem kya ban penpoy ya ki kau si kilong yeng ki badai hok banyo ha kini ki por basyakta ha ka klam covid khat khandai. Nakalyang Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, Principal Secretary Fcs&Ca, Upi Bakshi Commissioner and Secretary Fcs&Ca, Barkakong Ai Lalu Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills, Kila Kyntu ki Paidbah ban mi syakhamat ban Pynrung Kyrteng ha ka Adhaar, bakin la ban yo ki Jingmyntoi bapher. Bat Kila Kyntu ru bakim day ban syapti ki khubor hamsaya habaya day bat u Adhaar.
Celebration of the 75th year of the independence of our country. So as you can see, this is called Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and also the 50 years of statehood of our state. So in this wonderful year, if we can claim that we have been able to do our duties reasonably well to make sure that the food grains have been lifted on time, distributed on time, it has reached to the intended beneficiaries, that itself is a great feeling for us. On that note, I once again warmly welcome all our distinguished guests, invitees.
Ban điều foundation là bạn phân bao giờ cái tin slow cho na hàng về đây và cái này thì nhiều chúng đi dạo foundation dan ba kesukaan. Dan penting juga kalau ikon sisi ni akan tumbuh. Mana dia iwe mengyok tentang pada Fcs&Ca kepada nombor iwe new iwe 00 lain iwe real a lain more. Nah dia iwe mengyok tentang harga dia commission. Dengan pentang dia kabang ia dah dia kabang yo Jingmyntoi nak ni. Kajinyo sungayo commission. Kajinyo sungayo commission kalong kay Jingmyntoi na pagdating ni ng song. Hanggang ya ka office kabala penyakit yang sama jompi yung commission man na ugnay nila pendiang ya ka sinong matao jongi kalau koi lu ngalaiskan basa lu nong pendong nila anyo yung ka. Kajing ay ito pasal kayo, commission na kadwa kapatan, kada kalong may pagkasi kilo, batalong lo Jingmyntoi, kajing kaku na kata tingi kinong sinong, hamtam na kata tingi badong pasok kilong di badong, kabangi yung ma kajing one main shop, yada klang COVID katinda kan haus nem ada ako, nada kasar ka kam sim kajing kekya, aduk kata mengikung kinong senang wilayahkan. Balik belang inyo, balik terai inyo, bagitu badan tulisan itu bantir inyo. Henry, kali kejingwan, ai pengusaha yang ketiga. Ya ukau kami senang kami lembar kinong Irishon. Bentiang ngintan sikus laisu, ngintan sikluman simusu. Badan biang yang jilongi sendiri, namani balik terai limla kubong mentah. Henry kesukaan lapan biang yang commission hakado lain kita sekilo bakham lambe ilayo yang kau free obasan kilo sikle kata semua ilalai kata jinapkan hantam na benda sini ke badung. Henry wala kata lu milanayo sibun di Jingmyntoi ban penbiang na benda dikam hak tinggal kau berhenti kakam. Ito ko sa kawal ni commission, hindi bantin, hindi bantin, nang pagkakam, kacang na long mabayad ay hindi, hagi ka marok na magitigal kam, yaw Adhaar, magigong kinong song, hindi bantin, hindi bantin, nagtatuki, nang hindi kinong taray hakakam, kinong ibasok at ibayad ay hindi.
Scheme trong tutang ng India man ay na sinira kamta mga po sa COVID pandemic ang kram bagi yung sosyo ng kinumyo yang ukau ki marbang mardi ki dalam jongki yang kata-kata panislo kan ai jing ai kuble ki maro ki bala dong tingkat ki bala ai ki kaman kerja jongki kampang ki boy ki jenjan pantin boy ya ukau shit ki maro ki reho kanyo yang kali Jingmyntoi di mandai bagi ki board ki banang wan ko lalu ki wholesaler ki fair price shop dealer ki vigilance committee jo ki shang hotel kampang ki Noyo Jingmyntoi mana FSA Pynrung tip yang hok jo ki mau ye ki Pynrung ki bagi labu pat hukum jo ki train kat pat district administration pat sarkar ni ayo Jingmyntoi economic crunch jo ka jingara bila yo man sarkar ni ron ka jingara jo ki krem Adhaar ra ko ni ha kan du ki Jingmyntoi naman sarkar ra Pynrung mandatory dari rendam dan tidak ada alam sini. Kemudian kamu yang tinggal dulu bercuma indrekan air bol di Jingmyntoi. Yang ini aku akan berkemau. Yang Hima solution tu kinu kita price shop di bawah mereka menggunakan mandek kam kerja yang ini lebih dari kita semua kan joki dari officer, inspector, sub inspector joki kini ada lebih yang mungkin board. But kini apa akan berkemau tentang ayo video benchmark untuk fortified rice. So we have seen that many people are still having a lot of apprehensions and fears about fortified rice, which the ministry has introduced. Fortified rice is nothing but rice which is imbued with additional nutritional benefits. Fortified rice ni ukau, bala periksan, bala bu, bala air, dawai, nutrition, kemudian kampang yang ukau kila orang ini sam sih Anganwadi Center sih beliau barang kena dulu. Di kampung kan bercinta, nama itu ukau kan bercinta kemudian. It may have a slightly different color. It may look a little different from your regular rice. Kita ini ada test by Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety, ayo ini certification berkait kamu dan kanu bercima berbang ini ukau. Di nakata daun kepada kita belum sekian belum don kanu bercima kekian kau tetapi don kanu lebih masuk makin joki ini ini ada skim sorga kala roll out permintaan kita don di household bagi center di bagi akan point
important task of feeding the people and letting the food reach the last mile in spite of all difficulties, in spite of there was a logjam, there was a transport bottleneck. With all the difficulties, the whole team performed very well. I think all of us require appreciation. So on behalf of the department, I would like to appreciate each and every preparation of leader, community leader. It requires a clap from every one of us. Having said that, my request would be, this has shown that we can work together, we can work unitedly, we can answer the calls of duty beyond the routine work. So please bear in mind, still there are miles to go. So with this, please help our Adhaar enrollment, help more of the one card ration, one card system, expand the utility of the ecosystem so that the whole objective of reaching the last mile seamlessly, even on beyond physical mode is possible. I would urge each and every partner who are our stakeholders and our family members to give their best to ensure that Adhaar coverage is improved, we have ecosystem available, even beyond your jurisdiction you are able to collect your ration in time of adequate quantity and what is entitled to you. Please bear in mind, providing food is the human service you all are doing. Let us hope and pray that we do it at the best of our ability.
Officers of the department. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana scheme is a food security welfare scheme that aims to feed the poorest citizens of India by providing free food grain. The entitlement is 5 kgs per person per month over and above the regular monthly NFSA allocation through the public distribution system. This scheme covers all the priority households and the Antyodaya Anna Yojana beneficiaries under the NFSA 2013. The scheme, which can be availed through the One Nation, One Ration Card plan, was first introduced from April to June 2020 during the stringent lockdown period in India and has been extended up to 6 times. The latest extension was announced on the 26th of March 2022, and the scheme has been extended up to September 2022. This brilliant scheme has been a boon to the people during the COVID-19 pandemic, keeping with the concern and sensitivity towards poor and vulnerable sections of society, as it has mitigated the hardships and ensured food security to all. Food security means that all people at all times have physical, social and economic access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food that meets their food preferences and dietary needs for an active and healthy life. At the core of food security is access to healthy food and optimal nutrition for all. Food access is also closely linked to food supply. So food security is dependent on a healthy and sustainable food system. Human health and social equity ensure that particular importance is placed on community development and the health of the community, making sure that nutritious food is available and provided economically and physically to the community, and that people are able to access this right to food as per entitlement in a timely and dignified manner. I would like to express my immense gratitude to the various wholesalers and the fair price shop dealers for their tremendous efforts in ensuring that food allocated is being distributed and delivered to the beneficiaries on time. This has been performed in spite of challenges and the threat of the COVID-19 virus. The government is committed to bridge the hunger gap by providing free food grains to all the NFSA beneficiaries through the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana and this scheme to all entitled beneficiaries.